Google Tag Manager integration is a single-click solution to help you find visits. You can search for visit.caught-your-eye in Google Analytics tool. You can also find any visit to page where a specific JavaScript code pushes data to GTM data layer. To enable GTM integration, log into CUX and go to Integrations. Find the Google Tag Manager tile and enable integration. Everything works in an instant. When GTM integration is enabled, you can go to your recordings and find a specific visit using GTM event names. To watch a visit that has been tracked by GTM, go to Visits. Click Open Filters. Scroll to find GTM Events section in Filters. Fill the property and value fields you want to use in your search. Remember, when entering the property, make sure to use the exact name that gets sent to GTM. That's all. If you have any more questions about CUX function, watch the rest of episodes in our tutorials.